Hey there! Have you ever noticed any changes in your feet? Well, your feet might be speaking to you about your liver health, and it's time to pay attention. Your feet are a great indicator of your overall health. They contain thousands of nerve endings that can give you valuable insights into how your body is functioning. When your liver is struggling, it can show up in your feet in several ways. One of the most common signs of liver problems is dry, cracked skin on the soles of your feet. This is because the liver is responsible for producing bile, which is needed to break down fat and absorb cholesterol. When your liver is struggling, it can cause this process to break down at a slower pace, leading to dry, cracked skin. Another sign of liver problems is discolored or yellowing of your nails. This can be a sign of liver disease or low blood sugar levels. This is because the liver is responsible for producing the pigment that gives your nails their natural color. You might also notice changes in the texture or smell of your skin. This can be a sign of bacterial or fungal infections, which can also be a sign of a weakened liver. If you notice any of these changes in your feet, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you evaluate your liver health and develop a plan to improve it. In conclusion, your feet can give you valuable insights into your overall health. If you notice any changes in your skin or nails, it's important to pay attention and check in with a healthcare professional. Taking care of your liver is crucial for maintaining good health, and your feet might be the first to tell you when it's not working properly.